Imagine a canvas that moans. This isn't art imitating life, but a breakthrough in sound-responsive materials. Developed by tech innovators, this canvas uses embedded microsensors to detect sound waves, translating them into vibrations. When sound hits, the canvas responds with a low hum, creating an interactive art experience. Beyond art, this technology is revolutionizing soundproofing in architecture, offering dynamic noise control in real time. It's a game changer for urban living, making noisy environments more serene. As we embrace this innovation, consider how sound-responsive materials could reshape our world.